At every single point in a 24-hour day, there is always a star in the sky. Whether we reside in the dark of night or the light of day, we always have the sun and the moon and the stars. Though the sun is a magnificent ball of fire, we still feel cold towards life. Not a day goes by when we aren't presented with a dark vision or a dark thought. Yet we still smile, we still move on and thrive, we survive. We still laugh and hurt and cry about all the things that help us and hurt us. And for some reason, it's the things that hurt us the most that we embrace with the most sincerity. We wear a smile on our hearts and tears on our sleeves, cry ourselves to sleep only to wake up in the same beautifully cruel world we love to hate so much. And when our eyes fight to pry themselves open in the early hours of the morning, we enter the light in the darkness. From those 7 to 9 hours of unconscious living, we find ourselves with a new sense of energy and vigor. Let the day send its rigor. Let's seize the moment we've all been waiting for. Yesterday what was closed is today an open door.
Fantasy, it gets the best of me when I'm sailing home, all caught up in a reverie. Every word is a symphony. Don't you believe in me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it could be. Just a dream and the wind carried me, and soon I will be free. It's not far back to sanity, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find serenity. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Believe